Hi, I'm Brian Soliday, and welcome to the YouTube channel Standard Health. This YouTube channel contains a series of videos on short educational videos containing nutrition and exercise-based information. Some examples would be easy and simple nutrition tips to apply to your everyday life, how to start an exercise program if you haven't worked out in many years, or if you have never worked out before. Remember to always stay positive during your healthier lifestyle changes, because sometimes there's going to be a relapse. Just remember to keep pushing through and keep working as hard as you can, because everyone of every health status always has setbacks. Some videos you will also see are going to help you if you're trying to push through a barrier, if at some point you're having trouble struggling with a plateau and you can't get through it. So I hope you find all this education on this YouTube channel very helpful. There's plenty of free information on my website, standardhealthllc.com, and Facebook /Standard Health. So come check us out there. I'll see you guys over there.